Hi everybody, so this video is inspired by the Keel Build Toucan. I wanted to go for something super tropical and dramatic, and I wanted to use all of the markers in the box, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy the video. Disregard any hair installation issues because I was feeling a little lazy and I did maybe want to just take it off right after, but we won't talk about that. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and have a great day. Bye! Okay, so we are starting with Louise Base. I've already done my eyebrows, and that was just with the Sheglam Skinny Brow Pencil. So for the eyes, like I said, I was inspired by the Toucan, and I used 3 palettes. They're all Juvia's Place. I used the Wahala 2, the Warrior 3, and the Army Rebel eyeshadow palettes. I decided to do one eye on camera and then cut and do the other eye off. So first of all, I have the yellow, which is Nzinga from the Warrior 3 palette. And then I have that blue color there transitioning on the eyelid, which is Gola. And then for the purple, I used Candice. I'm looking at a picture here and it's a little hard to read, so please excuse me. And the Candice color I'm using on the outer V, so to speak. And then the green color in the Warrior 3 palette I put in the crease. Now this is a lot of blending, like a lot of going back and forth. For the outer corner, I put over top of it the Rebel Army, or the Army Rebel, the dark matte green on the outer corner, and then I put over top of it the purple from the Warrior 2 or 3, just so that I could further blend it. And then from the Wahala 2 palette, I used a little bit of Hater on the lid between the yellow and the blue color. However, I didn't like it really, so I just went over top of it. It was very little amount of Hater that I used. And then I used Lust on the outer crease as well too. So a lot of blending, and you'll see it's just me going back and forth, blending that purple in, and then I would go back and I'd touch up the yellow, and then I would I'm blending that green here. So the green was a little not as vibrant as I wanted, actually. I wanted something a bit more vibrant, and I was kind of surprised because the color in the Warrior 3 palette looks like a very vibrant forest green, but it came up a little darker than I preferred. However, I was really happy with how the eye look came out. So, like I said, continually patting back and forth, and then when I used that color, I believe it was Hater from the Wahala palette, I just went over top of it. So I'm using that, the Creme Shop or Cream Shop and Hello Kitty Celebrate Setting and Priming Spray. I like my face to have some type of slip when I'm doing my base. And then I use the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer with the foundation, a really good foundation from Chic Beauty, over top of it. And then for the white under eye, which you honestly can hardly see because the camera goes so high contrast. I think because my hair is so dark and I'm so light, my hair and my shirt and everything around me is dark, so it's just really high contrast. I used the Chic the most concealer, the white one. So yeah, just continually blending, and I used the Soul Body Bronzing Balm from Colourpop for the contour bronzer situation. And I just can't get over how good that smells. I love that product, honestly. I don't even know. Can you still get it? Let me check. Yes, you could still get it. I use the color medium or medium dark. I can't remember, but I really enjoy it. I'm going to go ahead and leave the products below, as I mentioned. I don't know if I mentioned, but I am now. And I use the Made by Mitchell Cowlick Blush. I like to do this under my powder foundation, my MAC Studio Fix powder foundation that I use, because I find that that tends to lower the intensity, and these are very, very intense blushes, liquid blushes. So that's why I recommend, you know, putting some type of powder or foundation with coverage over top of it. I've been doing this since I was young, just because it tones it down, and when you go a little crazy with the blush, everyone needs a bit of toning sometimes. So yeah, other than that, I used my usual powder blush after I went ahead and powdered with the Juvia's Place I Am Magic powder. I actually used the orange color from the Juvia's Place Saharan 2 blush palette. I thought that would be really pretty on top of that kind of vibrant pink from the Cowlick blush. And this is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I went ahead and, which, by the way, honestly smells gorgeous too. I did switch the lashes. I wasn't vibing with the lashes, so I just switched those out. And then I used the Danessa Myricks Enlight powder in Aura of Light on top of Colourpop Flexetarian, and then Danessa Myricks Enlight Halo in Ice as like a spot highlighter. Then I went ahead and used the purple and the pink from the Warrior 3 palette under my eye, and the Maybelline Superstay Vinyl Ink in Cheeky, which I absolutely am obsessed with. I need to pick up more colors. So yeah, I didn't even put gloss or anything, and it just feels so comfortable. It doesn't feel drying, and the color is just beautiful. Okay guys, and that is the look. I'm hoping I'm able to crop the top of my hair off, because maybe I didn't do the best job installing it, and maybe I just wanted to be able to take it off right after this. I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching and sitting through. It really, I can't even put it into words. I say this all the time, but I truly, truly cannot even put it into words how much it means to me that people are actually willing to sit down and watch a video that I spent time on. When I know that there's so many other people that you could spend your time on. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!